Hello, friends. Today I am here with one more important book to improve our knowledge and become successful in life. The 4-Hour Work Week by Tim Ferriss is a book that challenges conventional notions of work and lifestyle, advocating for a more efficient and fulfilling approach to productivity and time management. Here's a step by step summary of the key concepts presented in the book. 1. Redefining work. Ferriss introduces the concept of the new rich NR individuals who prioritize lifestyle design and time freedom over traditional notions of wealth and status. He challenges the idea that work must consume all our time and advocates for a more balanced and fulfilling approach to life. 2. Outsourcing and delegation. The author discusses the importance of outsourcing and delegating tasks to free up time and focus on high impact activities. He shares strategies for identifying tasks that can be outsourced, finding reliable virtual assistants, and maximizing efficiency. 3. Automating income. Ferriss explores ways to automate income streams and create passive income sources that generate money with minimal ongoing effort. He discusses online businesses, affiliate marketing, and other methods for generating income while minimizing time investment. 4. Liberating yourself from the office. The author challenges the traditional notion of working from a fixed location and advocates for remote work and location independence. He shares strategies for negotiating remote work arrangements with employers or building a business that allows for remote work. 5. Living the dream. Ferriss discusses how to design a lifestyle that aligns with your values and priorities. He explores strategies for traveling the world, pursuing hobbies and interests, and achieving personal goals while maintaining financial security and time freedom. 6. Mini retirements. The author introduces the concept of mini retirements, extended periods of time off from work to pursue personal interests and travel. He encourages readers to rethink the traditional retirement model and incorporate mini retirements throughout their lives. 7. Maximizing productivity. Ferriss shares strategies for maximizing productivity and efficiency in work and life. He discusses principles such as the 80-20 rule, Pareto principle, batching tasks, and eliminating distractions to focus on high-value activities. 8. Creating freedom through financial independence. The author emphasizes the importance of achieving financial independence as a means to true freedom and fulfillment. He shares strategies for saving and investing wisely, reducing expenses, and creating multiple income streams to achieve financial security. 9. Experimentation and lifestyle design. Ferriss encourages readers to adopt an experimental mindset and continually iterate on their lifestyle design to find what works best for them. He emphasizes the importance of testing new ideas, embracing failure as a learning opportunity, and constantly refining one's approach to work and life. Overall, the 4-Hour Work Week offers a provocative and practical approach to rethinking work, lifestyle, and success. It challenges readers to question traditional norms and design a life that prioritizes freedom, fulfillment, and meaningful experiences. To know more in detail about this book, you can buy it from the following link below. Please subscribe and click on bell icon to receive the notification when I upload the new book summary. Happy reading!